So what's up guys, on this video I'm going to be showing you guys the process of how I edited this image from Capture One to Photoshop, added frequency separation, dodger bone, color grading, and my sweet black and white filter. I hope you gained experience from this video. Please don't forget to like and subscribe and drop a comment on the things you felt I missed out. Without further ado, let's get started. So what's up guys, heading straight to Capture One. This image was shot by a crazy photographer. He's an amazing beauty and lifestyle photographer. So first things first, my levels, I'm gonna work on them, draw this in, take this in, just building up the contrast and the whole clarity of the image. Then go to my colors, skin tones, color editor, yeah, that's it, skin tones. So take the picker tool, choose hue, saturation, lightness. Don't want it dark. Let's leave it a little bit dark this time. You know, just a little bit of saturation. Then hue, no, I think this is better. So just to play with this a little bit. This guy has a very great and amazing skin tone. Okay, I think that's for that, yeah. And do we need to increase any, do we need to touch anything? Let's zoom in and check. Okay, I think this was shot with a Canon camera at ISO 500, shutter speed 1/88 of a second, aperture f 7.1. I think it was shot with a 70-200 at 147 millimeter. Okay, so we're gonna open with Photoshop 2020. So thank you guys for the love. You guys have been great on my previous videos. So firstly, heading straight, Ctrl J to duplicate the layer. Always have a copy of a layer. Heading straight into the crop to C. I like cropping it 8:10. Ooh, you need to visualize how you want it, how you want the picture to be. I think I would like it like this, just a little bit of a hand, then her shoulder should show. Her shoulder should start, yeah, this. Her shoulder should start this this frame. Then her eye should be on this particular. Okay, I should be cropping her head out a little bit. Okay, but this is a very good crop, so I'll hit enter. So that's it. So firstly, heading straight, do blemishes and spot remover. I think we'll take care of this. We should take care of this. Take care of this. Take care of this. So just remove every, let's call it impurities. This was, you're seeing the shadow and all that. Yeah, this was shot with a highlight. I think they use something to block the light for this particular part. That's why light is not hitting it. Because when this was shot with the highlight, you could see the shadows and all coming out. Was this shot against a light, or there was just a backlight lighting up the background? I think asking is so flawless. So I'm not really gonna do more. So heading straight to frequency separation. Retouch Academy 16-bit, yeah. Okay. So for this image, I think I'm gonna use 12. 12 looks fine, but let's make it 13. Okay, 13 looks fine. You know, there's not a specific number for these things. It's just whatever works for you. Basically whatever works for you. Honestly, just basically whatever works for you. That's basically it, whatever works for you. So heading straight to your mixer brush to you will start painting. Let's see a preview of how it is. Ooh, you see? Before, after. You don't really need so much. This skin is already flawless. So let's just zoom in a little bit. Close this. This skin is already flawless. Blend it a little bit so there'll be a... This skin is really flawless. I think I'm just gonna speed wrap this so it will like break down the minutes on the video. You understand? So it's not just, I don't like boring people. I don't like wasting so much of your time. So I'm just gonna speed ramp this and make this a bit faster. So here we are, guys. That's it for the frequency separation. Our skin is so flawless, so clean. I think we don't really need to remove any of all this. There's no blemishes. Our skin is flawless, really flawless. So like this is before and this is after. This is like before, this after, before, after, before, after, before, after. So heading straight into dodging and burning. Heading straight into dodging and burning. We would okay. Heading straight to dodging and burning. I would adjust my brush settings to this, like just like micro dodge and burn, okay? And this should be 10%. Picking and using a very soft brush. Always remember your hardness should be 0. Offing the frequency separation, you should go ahead and burn. Burn here. Oh, sorry, X. The foreground should be white. Burn here. Burn here. Burn here. Okay. Let's basically just adding depth to the entire image. Adding depth to the entire image. So now let's dodge. I'm gonna really dodge here. Okay, dodge here. Behind her neck, you dodge it too. So this is just a process. You just have to keep practicing. You cannot get everything in one day. You just have to keep practicing. So before, after, just subtle changes, little changes that matter. So then we'll go to the dodge and burn again. Second layer of dodge and burn. Just make this a bit darker. I think it's too much. Okay, this is good. So now your opacity should be 5% and your flow should be 50%. So now you just burn. You just burn. It's like a global danger burn. Just burn areas that you feel you want more details. Dodge. Just the eyes a little bit. Yeah. So okay, this is good. Before, after, just little changes that you add to make. Let's put this in a group. Before, after, before, after. So that is for Doja Bond. And color grading. So me, this picture is awesome like this. So we could just maybe a layer of color balancing on the shadows. You add some blues, 4% blue. Add 1% cyan on the highlights. Add some red, 1% red. Add some yellows on the highlight. Let's say 4 too. Now the mid-tones, I like adding magenta to the mid-tones. Just maybe 3% magenta to balance out everything. 3% magenta. That's it. So I think we're good to go. That's all I'm doing for this image. The background. Okay, let's check. Let's work on the background. So working on the background. You remember now, just take our curves adjustment. Exposure. Oh, we just increase our exposures too. No, I don't like this. Curves, rather. On the curves, just okay, before, after. Then hue and saturation. Reduce the saturation, increase the lightness. Holding your turn down, you clip it down. Okay, solid color, white. Holding your alternate down, still you clip it. So that's it for Ctrl G. Let's see how. I don't like this. It looks unreal. It looks unreal. So yeah, with black as your foreground color, because you're going to be cleaning the marks out of some places. So you just paint out. Refine the edges. Okay. Before, after. Yeah, I think this is better. So moving straight to, I think we're done with the color grading, frequency separation, color grading, and let's just sharpen the eyes a little bit. So we just add some layers, brightness and contrast, increase our brightness a little bit. Oh, I like this picture like this. Okay, let's just work on the eyes first. Okay, brightness and contrast, control I. Then let's zoom in and paint. Okay, let's make the teeth whiter. So on this mask, we'll come to our photo filter, cooling filter. You clip it down. Hold the entire it, you clip it down. Hue and saturation. Just bring down a little bit. Still clip it down. I think this is too much. So 43%, 74%. Put everything in a group. Control G. You put everything in a group. Background. This should be touch and bone. So I think that's it for my eye. So quickly, let me just show you guys what I do in how I get my own black and white. So I'll press D on the keyboard to make sure it is on the default black and white. Then I'll go to gradient map. That's it. That's just it. So with this is like the best black and white filter on the market, because if you just do this normal black and white, it looks just flat. It looks so flat, like so flat. I don't know why. It looks so flat, but with this, there is this contrasty look it gives to it. So with this, I think that's basically it. The end of this video. Less than 20 minutes. Yes, I'm gonna keep this less than 20 minutes this time. So the whole process is blemishes, frequency separation, dodge upon, clean your background if you have to, color grade, or however you want to make the skin pop. Then add your color grade. That's basically it. With this, I think I could say we have come to the end of this video. Please don't forget to like, subscribe. If this video added something so you already gained knowledge, or if this video improved on your knowledge in any sense. If you think I missed out on anything, you could just drop a comment below. I would see it, I'll reply you. You could interact. If you have pictures for me to edit, drop it. I'll be glad to help you with your images. Thank you.